Hey KiHiVE, welcome back to my channel. Thanks so much for clicking on this video because I know you're interested in what I have to say today. If you haven't done so already, I'm going to need you to go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below to become a part of the KiHiVE. And hello to all my subscribers. Thanks so much for joining, and let's get right into today's video. So I know you're wondering why I look crazy. I'm going to be showing you how I wash my hair with these box braids in, because y'all, my hair is getting itchy and can't be having no dry crusty scalp because not cute. So today I'm going to be washing my hair with none other than the Mane Choice Heavenly Halo collection. You already know this is one of my favorite lines from the Mane Choice, so I'm going to be using this. I'm also going to be doing deep conditioning with the same line, using their soy milk deep hydration mask, and I'll be using my shampoo massager brush to kind of help loosen up any debris and dirt and whatever else is in my head. Here in this bottle I have a spray, I have some water, and then I put in a little bit of the shampoo. This is warm water, and I put like maybe like a teaspoon of shampoo in there and shake it up. As you can see, I have it in a spray bottle just because it's easier to get to my scalp. And what I'm going to be doing is just spraying it directly on my scalp. I'm not going to worry about the length of my hair because that'll get clean when I wash it. So we're just going to take it and spray directly. I like to massage my scalp with my fingers first, trying to loosen up anything. And then I can take my massaging brush. About to die, oh my god. I like how these little bristle things, they kind of get in your scalp and kind of lift and massage your hair. So it feels really good. I'll let it sit for 10 minutes. I'm gonna go rinse it out in the shower with the little what you call that? Hair spray or rinser thing. Yes, the spray rinse thing. And then I'm going to come back and show you how I put on deep conditioner, and then that'll be it. So see you in a bit. All right, you guys, so I'm back from washing my hair, and as you can see, my scalp is super clean and my hair's really wet. So now I'm going to be doing some deep conditioning. I put some in this bottle, maybe like a teaspoon, and I have a little bit of water in here, so you just shake it up. I like to do this because it dilutes the conditioner a bit to make it easier to apply to your scalp, because I don't need no dry scalp. Okay, so you're just going to apply it. So I got all the deep conditioner diluted water on my scalp. Now I'm about to put this bag on my head. Oh goodness. Okay, so now I'm going to sit for about an hour, and I'm going to rinse it out in the sink. And then I'll come back and show you what it's all looking like. So I have rinsed out all of the deep conditioner, and my scalp feels so much better because it was dry and crusty, and this wasn't cute. Especially when you wear box braids, you gotta make sure that scalp stays on point. What it's looking like, as you can see, my scalp was very clean. And if you haven't watched the video of how I did these braids, I'll link it up top so you can watch that video. But I did notice that when I was washing my hair that the rubber bands actually disintegrated. But my roots are still tight, but some of the rubber bands are not in there anymore. So I had concerns about breakage on the video of me installing these braids. I wouldn't worry about it because, again, they just disintegrated and it just kind of came out on their own, which was, I guess it's pretty cool, you know. Hey, no breakage. Woo woo. If you enjoyed this video, go ahead and give me a thumbs up if you liked it. Don't forget to share it with all your friends. And if you haven't done so already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button to stay tuned for more great videos. Because you know, y'all come back, y'all see my face, you might as well join the KiHiVE. I mean, why not? Alright, you guys, see you next video.